That's what I'm talking about, B.
Go on, Dawn.
Anyone?
What?
You
No,
bit.
I can't do it.
You bit.
What is You're sick. We're done.
Go on.
No, I can't burp. Can I just say either?
Well, then you suck!
Can't burp when pressured.
Missed that one. You can tell us.
Secret.
Better, big one.
You want a big one? You want a big one?
If they be big, I know what I'll do. That's how cool I am.
Here we go. You've already done that one.
I know.
You said no.
My favourite. Yeah, that's the problem with you don't actually know where the seat is.
Same thing happens when you wear half the
No, Villian, edge of the table.
You don't know where the chair is.
You suck.
Who's up?
Jacob.
I love there's a sign below them saying wet.
Jacob sucks.
There's so many jokes in there.
Yeah, you. Oh, that didn't even come out, did it? It's hard, isn't it? What are you doing? It's quite nowhere, isn't it?
Go on,
Sammy.
Get a Yu-Gi-Oh cards.
Yeah.
It's because it has like the best cards.
We're waiting for it.
You can get it. I bought a deck as well.
Oh, little on it. It's a baby, yeah.
There's a girl in my college, and she's like the most pretty little, like, hello. And then all of a sudden she turned around and went, and we were like, Catherine, what the hell?
Catherine, what the hell?
She watched it, I'll be fucked.
Anti-yowie sticks.
I am usually quite late because I can do sort of burps and stuff. That's not my own.
We'll just bomb man a bit. After small burps, I think.
No,
Nice one, Sammy. Right here.
no.
Ready.
Yeah, you're joking.
Is that no longer?
Fine, Jacob. I'll just report you to the police. Look, that is way too much. Look, this is way too much packaging for a single piece of cards. Look.
Single piece of cards.
What the hell?
Pack of cards.
Yeah, but it's a wasted treat.
Well, I meant that's all that packaging for that.
No.
It's for starters.
That's wrong.
Look at the box.
Yeah, actually, it goes down like that.
Yeah, look,
It's got that much space.
That's just wrong.
yeah.
It's not, that's not good.
It's a nice looking box, though. You gotta admit.
Oh, yeah, it's a nice looking box.
I mean, what was this? But it contains food.
Yes. And it's less. And it's recycled.
And yeah. I hate recycled, you know, like when you get recycled toilet paper. It's like, yeah, this is smart. I'm wiping my ass with something someone wipes with their ass.
Yeah.
Double wipe.
You get 20.
And then recycle it again.
Yeah. So it's been wiped 10 times before you wipe your ass.
At one point, the paper was recycled so much that it's actually just brown.
Yes. Advice: if you find brown toilet paper, do not use it. Because if you do, you're wiping shit on your ass.
You're having your shit off of shit. But generally, if you see a brown piece of toilet paper, you wouldn't use it anyway.
I know.
You'd be like, that's just not right, man.
If you get some toilet paper, it's brown, right? And you go to bed or something, you think, oh, I've got something on my mouth or something, you know, and I need to get some toilet paper and wipe it. You're wiping shit on your face.
Zero. It's not
You guys are trying to eat. It doesn't help when they're little balls.
Oh, nice! Dark Arm Dragon!
Wait, one
Just
second.
bring you off in it.
That's a £50 card.
Oh no.
Tony,
Hang on.
I got a 50 quid card.
Nice.
Let's see the
The cardboard is worth it in the end.
Sell all.
Here we go. I'm going to take photographers too.
Get them out. Someone has a problem here. They're a bit small in comparison to.
Oh
That's
god.
bad.